With you, I learned that real love is not about being flawless, it's about being faithful. You love me in details, in the way you prepare everything when I come home exhausted, in the way you choose to enjoy simple things that bring me peace, soft candlelights, quiet moments, and a good book. Long before we knew what we were to each other, we were simply students with no clear promises and no certainty where life would take us. It all began with something so simple, a single hi spoken by a friend on my behalf. What felt like an ordinary moment became the very start of our story.
Thank you for this moment. I've gotta say how beautiful you are.
Oo.
Hopes and dreams I could have prayed for.
How is it?
Here you are.
Walang iiyak sa atin.
Naiyak na ako eh.
If I could have one dance forever, I would take you by the hand.
Siyempre, maraming salamat sa pagpunta niyo dito. Sobrang mahalaga sa akin itong araw na to. Sana kayo lahat.
Oh, glad I'm your man. And if I
Dumating ka sa akin sa
you know,
napakadilim na kaganapan ng buhay ko.
the way I lost my heart to you.
Ikaw ang ilaw na nagbigay ng liwanag. Ngunit sa paglipas ng mga araw at taon, nabilis na mga pangyayari ang ating mga naranasan. Halo-halong emosyon ng saya, lungkot, hirap, ginhawa, ngiti, at iyak ang ating mga pinagdaanan sa mga lumipas na taon. At dahil sa mga pangyayaring yon, napagtibay at nagbigay ng dahilan upang kumapit tayo sa pagmamahalan ng bawat isa.
The music when I look
Kumusta ka naman today? Hindi ka naman kinakabahan.
but I feel
I forgot everything.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
The makeup.
Lahat.
close to mine. It's a way.
It was a simple beginning, yet even then, God was already writing a beautiful story for us. Nakaiiyak. We did not grow overnight. We grew patiently. Thank you for giving me the space to become, for meeting me with understanding instead of expectations, and for loving me through every unfinished version of myself.
And if I lived 1,000 years, you know, I never could explain the way I lost my heart to you that day. But if destiny decided I should look the other way, then the world would never know the greatest story ever told. And did I tell you that I love you? Just how much I really need you.
Siyempre, sobrang saya na isa sa mga mahalagang binigay niya sa akin sa buhay ko, lalo na sa importanteng araw naming dalawa. Kasama ko yung mga boys, kapatid niya, siyempre. Sobrang saya. This is it.
And if I lived 1,000 years, you know, I never could explain the way I lost my heart to you that day. But if destiny decided I should look the other way,
Napakadaming beses na muntik nating sinukuha ng isa't isa, na muntik matapos ang pinaka-iniingatan nating relasyon. Sa 14 na taon ng ating relasyon, alam ko at alam mo na isa sa mga pagsubok na ating pinagdaanan at masasabi natin ngayon ay nalagpasan na ang pagpapaalam sa iyong tatay tungkol sa ating relasyon. Hindi mo alam kung gaano ako ka-proud sa'yo.
I wanna love you and treat you right.
These small acts speak louder than grand gestures ever could. You are my rest, my closest friend, and the place where I feel most myself.
We'll be together.
Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos at nalagpasan natin ng isa sa pinaka-challenging na pwede nating harapin.
To share the shelter of our single bed.
January 16, 2012. College days, kung paano at saan nagsimula ang ating kwento. At kung bakit tayo nandito ngayon.
Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling?
Speechless. Sobrang speechless. Of course, never been excited. Can't wait.
I wanna know, wanna know, wanna know now. I got to know, got to know, got to know now. I'm willing and able.
We began as two students still finding our way, and today, I choose you as my constant, my commitment, and my forever.
Nagsimula sa maliliit pero may konting tamis na usapan. At hindi namamalayang paunti-unti na tayong napapamahal sa isa't isa.
I wanna hold you every day and every night. We'll be together with a roof right over our heads. We'll share the shelter of our single bed. We'll share the same room, for Jah provide the bread.
Today, I promise to choose you with intentions every single day. To handle your heart with care, to walk beside you through every seasons of life, and to be the peace you return to when your world grows heavy.
I wanna know, wanna know, wanna know now. I got
Walang
to
kahit
know,
anong salita
got to know,
ang makakapagpaliwanag kung gaano kalaki ang pasasalamat ko sa'yo. Pangako na sa habang buhay, ikay aking aalagaan, poprotektahan at mamahalin. I love you.
throw my cards on the table, 'cause I wanna love you.
I am grateful for a love that never rushed, never abandoned, and never replaced. I love you now and for all my days. Pause.
Every day and every night.